If you've received an EIN mismatch rejection in Turbotax, here's how to fix it quickly. Start by logging into your Turbotax account from the official website. Once you're on your dashboard, head over to the Federal Taxes section, then click into Wages and Income, W-2 entry, and select the Edit option. On this page, pay close attention to Box B, which contains your employer's EIN. This number must match exactly with the EIN printed on the physical W-2 you received from your employer. Even one wrong digit or an extra space can trigger a rejection. If the EIN in Turbotax doesn't match your form, correct it carefully and save your changes. Once that's done, resubmit your return for e-filing. Possible the error is on your W-2 itself. In that case, reach out to your employer for a corrected copy. And remember, Turbotax support is always available if you need further guidance. If you've received an EIN mismatch rejection in Turbotax, here's how to fix it.